So pop हम लोग अब fill कर रहे हैं. We left it here, so we'll quickly fill it up. Okay. So first of all, we'll have to remove करने के लिए pop for a string का pop method we will be using, and also whenever you are removing, you have to modify the top as well, and that top will be referring to this top in the global scope. So in order to modify a variable from the global scope of the global scope from the local scope, you will have to use the global keyword with the name of the variable which you want to modify in the global scope. So top. Now, when you are about to delete from the list, if you want to remove a list which is being treated as stack, if you want to remove, it should be removed from the end. ठीक है? और अगर कोई list है उसमें से remove कर रहे हो, तो there are few possibilities. You will have to be careful. What are those possibilities? First possibility is कि is it empty or not? अगर list ही नहीं है, मतलब if there is no stack at all, then what will you remove? So pop operation will fail. So therefore, first we will check if the list is empty or not. So we'll write if stk, the stack which has been passed here for popping, or you can write len of stk equals to 0. That means उसमें कुछ नहीं है. And then you will write print right, and you can then set the top to none, which is not required, but yes, nothing will happen. क्योंकि अब कुछ है नहीं रिमूव करने के लिए, तो इवन इफ यू डोंट राइट इट एंड लिस्ट इज एम्प्टी, बाय डिफॉल्ट टॉप विल बी नन. तो यहाँ लिखते भी हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, नहीं भी लिखते हो तो दिस कैन बी इग्नोर्ड. Okay, so if you have called this method anywhere, okay, stk pop, and if that stk from where you have to pop the last element as per the rules of the stack, if that happens to be empty, the list which is being treated as stack happens to be empty, you will display a message under flow, and then you will print you will set the top to none, which is not mandatory, because if this is empty, by definitely either earlier push or pop method would have set it to earlier pop method would have set it to none. ठीक है, तो कहाँ पे थे हम लोग? यहाँ. If the list is not empty, if the list is not empty, that means its length would be 0. stk ka length which is being treated as stack, the list which is being treated as stack is not empty, then you can, how do we account for underflow? You don't have to do anything, you just have to tell ki no, pop cannot be, element cannot be popped underflow. ठीक है, just a message or intimation ki no, that operation removal is not possible. So it is just displaying the message, that's what you got to do.
Sir, overflow, sir.
Code we printed na underflow.
No, sir, for overflow.
Overflow won't happen in list, because in Python we have dynamically growing list.
Yes.
ठीक है,
Okay.
in case of C++ or Java, overflow will be there. Why? Because list, their array, which is nothing but a version of list, homogeneous. Okay, they don't grow dynamically. Okay, agar initially there is a difference in list in Python and arrays, which is nothing similar to but similar to list in Java and C++. There you will have, you not only specify an empty list or a list, you will also specify the size of it. ठीक है, तो इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है पाइथन में. पाइथन में द लिस्ट विल ग्रो डायनामिकली, अपेंड लिखते जाओ वो ग्रो करते जाएगा. Okay, so therefore you don't have to worry about overflow. However, in other programming languages, Java and C, agar wo list which is not dynamically growing, initially you have to specify the length of this list. So if that is hit, then you will have to, in case of push, you will have to check ki if len happens to be the size of the list, if the top happens to be, a top index happens to be the last index of the earlier defined list, then print overflow. पर Python में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, इसलिए overflow का concept होता है, it is there, but in Python it won't be relevant, इसलिए हम लोग नहीं लिख रहे हैं. However, if somebody asks stack में होता है क्या, तो yeah, it is there, but not in Python, because lists are dynamically growing. You don't need to define a fixed size list, which is in the case of other programming languages. ठीक है? Now, if the list is not empty, the stack is not empty, so that means at least one element is there. So there also we will have two variations. ठीक है? Two variations का क्या मतलब है? Two variations mean okay. Two variations mean कि here in this case, two variations mean कि if list only one item remaining. Okay. If only one item remaining, that means stack कुछ ऐसा होगा. The list which you are treating, only one element will be there. Let's say 5. Okay. So, and let's say there is another stack wherein two elements are there, 5 and 10. So index 0 and 1 पे होगा list को. So if you pop from this, let's say this is list S1, this is list S2 or stack S2. So if you pop from this having one element only, then the next, what will be the case? If you pop once, then this list will become empty and its top will be none. However, if the size is more than 1, if there are more elements, more number of elements, that is if it is number of elements in the stack is greater than 1, then if you remove, pop karoge, so something will happen and top will not be none. Okay. So therefore, if the list is not empty, we'll have to create two situations. We'll have to check for two situations. Once you remove, then if the length of the list is 0, then after removing, you print the element that is removed and then set the top to none, because if only one element is there, after removal, the length of the list will or the stack will become 0, and then top has to be set as none. Else, top will become whatever is the last index of the list, that is top equals to len of s minus 1. Okay. So ये clear है? Anand and others? Okay. So here we'll check. We'll first remove. So using the pop method. So we'll write stk dot pop. Okay, and that is sufficient. Okay. But if you do not write anything inside pop, that means it will always delete the last element of the list. Even the index position will be deleted. Okay, and here we'll write deletes the element as well as index position plus returns the deleted element. ठीक है, that we will capture in deleted item or item या deleted item. Okay, and then you will write, you will display which element you deleted. So I'll display the element popped, just popped, was this, and then once you have deleted, you will have to check if only one element was there, then top has to be set to none. Okay, so we'll write if now after popping out 1, if the len of the stack happens to be 0, that means no elements are there, that means the stack has become empty, set the top to global top ठीक है? Else what you will do is you will set the top to, किस पे सेट कर देंगे? len of whatever is the last index, len of stack stk minus 1. हाँ, correct है. Okay, so this is what we have to do. तो हम लोग यहाँ भी देखे थे. Okay, so that is what we have done here as well. So this is the complete program. Okay, now we can test it. यहाँ पे हमने let's say 5 push किया, 15 push किया. When you can peak, which will be at the top, it will display कि 15 is at the top at the first index. Then you will push again, then top will be -2. ठीक है? फिर किसी स्टेज पे तुम्हें देखना है तो you will display, then you will pick, फिर कुछ और push करोगे. तो at this time, if you run this code, you will see that bottom of the stack is 5 and the top of the stack is 155. Okay, now let us pop some element. Popping operations. Yeah. Popping operations. So you will call stk pop. You will pass the stack s, which is being treated as stack in the global scope जो है, and then you execute. और let's say 2 बार मैं pop करता हूँ. Okay. After that, let us display the stack. So we'll call display method with s, and we'll pass that s. Okay. If you want, you can also peek once. So you will call stk peek s. Let us see. So you tell me कि what will be the state of the stack? इस display का क्या result आएगा? If before this display till this point, till before popping this, the last display पे जो आया था मेरा, if the list was this, okay, after popping twice, what will this display show? What will be the top? 2 बार मैंने pop किया है, and after this display, so what will be the output as per this display? Yeah, which one will be the top element? Palak, you're there? बताओ. Anand? Others as well. Yeah. Come on, tell me so that I can proceed. After popping twice, what will be the top? Let me see if it is not getting refreshed. Okay, Priyanka believes -2. ठीक है. Correct. So first time if you pop, this will go off. Second time you pop, this will go off. So this will display the list till here. The stack will be this. And after that, what will happen is this peak will show key 2 is the at the top at index position 0, 1 and 2. -2 is at the top. Okay. ठीक है. Fine. Right. What happened? Very non-responsive today. Okay. ठीक है. So This will be our, this is our complete program. Hope this is clear. Okay. अरे बता दो कुछ, हाँ या ना? ओके अच्छा, कंफ्यूज हो गया था तो यू लेट मी नो. ओके राइट. तो what we will do is, this is our complete program which I'll send you, but we'll now garnish it. Garnish it in the sense, ये क्या था? Implementing stack using list. अब इसको थोड़ा सा हम लोग ब्यूटिफाई करते हैं. How? Till now we are providing fixed inputs. 5 मतलब कि यूजर से नहीं पूछ रहे हैं. We are giving the inputs as per our own. ठीक है, which is hard coded in the program, which is not the desirable case. Okay, so what we will do is, we will create another program, stack num 1. Okay, right. So here we'll keep the same things. With user inputs. Okay. Now, when we are asking for user input, we'll make slight modification in the function. Okay, in stack push, what will be that? We will not ask for, or will not send the value from outside. Okay, rather we will ask for the value inside push function only. So what we'll do is, we'll write item equals to, लेट्स से अगर इंटीजर्स का बनाना है स्टैक तो यू टेक इंट, अगर जेनरिक होगा तो यू कैन टेक फ्लोट. इंट is enter an item to be pushed into the stack. Okay, so every time this stack is called and the list which is to be treated as stack is passed to it, this function will be called. Okay, and an item will be asked from the user which has to be pushed. Rest everything will remain same. तो difference क्या है इस program में और इस program में? Here a fixed value was being passed every time you were calling the push operation. Okay, but here in this case, that item we will not pass, we will ask inside the push function only whenever it is called. Okay, so rest will remain same. Stack will remain, this will remain as it is. Pop.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah.
So, can we give while some variable is equal to yes, and then keep repeating the same question, like please enter. Do you want to enter again?
Anand, that you can do, but the rule of stack is one push operation means one entry.
Okay.
Okay, so it cannot be like you say push once and you enter 5 values.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll mention in case one push operation means one value or one item insertion only. Similarly for pop, one pop means one deletion. Okay. Deletion only. ओके राइट, सो पॉप भी वही रहेगा, ये भी फंक्शन वही रहेगा, डिस्प्ले भी वही रहेगा। ओके एंड इवन योर पीक विल रिमेन द सेम। केवल यूजर इनपुट में जो आइटम पास कर रहे थे, द आइटम दैट यू वर पासिंग, okay, that will be accepted inside the push function only. You need not pass anything. So this will be your final program. यही तुम्हारा actual program रहेगा। Okay, everything else is remaining the same. Only difference is item, लिख देता हूं, only thing to note is that item to be pushed be accepted in the pop function, sorry, push function. Clear? Now what you can do is, in order to call some push operations, let's say you want to perform push operation 3 times, so you will first of all in the main program you will create an empty stack, a list which will be treated as stack. Initially when the list is empty, that is stack is empty, top will be none, तो वहां तक तो लिखेंगे हम लोग। Okay, and then some push operations, so you will write stk push, and then here you will write only s, you will send only stack. Why? Because earlier you were sending hard coded values, so you were also sending the value item to be inserted. But here now what we have done is, we are not sending any value from outside, we are only passing the stack which needs to grow as per push operation, but that item will be asked inside this function only, push function only, from the user from outside. Okay, so if you call this 3 times, okay, and then if you check display the stack, you can call display with s. Let us check.
Sir, so here the operation which the user wants to perform also we can give it in the hands of the user itself, right?
अनंत थोड़ा सा loud हो जाओ।
So like we can provide the user with the choice of what operation he wants to perform, like push, pop or something.
या वो भी कर देंगे। ओके, पहले ये देख लो, राइट, विल लर्न दैट वेरिएशन आल्सो। ये समझ में आया? नाउ लेट अस एग्जीक्यूट। क्या हो गया? व्हाट डिड वी डू रॉन्ग बोल रहा है, इंट वाले लाइन में कुछ गलत है। अच्छा, इंट इनपुट होगा ना। Okay, so now because these all being functions did not get executed in the first go, from where the main program starts, execution starts. So empty list was created which will be treated as stack. A variable top which keep tracks of the top index element or the position is set to none. Then first this function gets called. So first for this call, this function gets activated and that empty stack which is initially empty gets passed to this. Okay, we are writing top, ये तो modify करने के लिए global scope के top को, if item is pushed, when the item is, after the item is pushed. So we are asking for the element. So at this point it is stuck. It was called, empty stack was passed, global reference to top was attached, and then item is being asked which number you want to an item you want to insert. Let's say I give 100. Then that operation was done. Top was modified. Okay, then it came to the point where it was called. Then goes to the second function call. This gets called. Again, that what was the current status of the stack? That stack was passed to STK. Top was linked, and then second time here it is again called. Let's say here I'll put -17, and then third time, once that second function gets executed, it returns back here. Then goes to this function call. Third time STK push. Again for this third time, this item entry is being asked. I'll give 50. Okay. After that, it will come out again, and then we'll call the display message to show with the stack passed to it to show the stack or what is the exact status of the stack from top to bottom or bottom to top. Let us see. ठीक है? Is it clear? Is she there? Yes. हाँ. क्लियर है तो बताओ, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay. Right. Good. So just remember, so we are taking baby steps. Now we are done. We are done like anything. So अब इसमें what will be the program for? We have seen the first variant. हमने देखा था कि there can be few variants. Stack can be implemented using stack of numbers or stack of integers and stack of list. Sorry, stack of numbers, stack of strings, and stack of list. So stack of numbers we have seen. The program will remain as it is for other two as well, with slight modification in terms of user input. So for stack of numbers, stack of strings, what we will do? Stack string. We'll write the same program. Exactly. Functions कुछ change नहीं होंगे. Only slight difference will be there. Everything will be remaining as it is. We'll copy from top to bottom. सब कुछ same copy करेंगे. Only one difference will be there. Can you point me at which line? Only one single difference. Can you point me where? Everything will remain same. Okay. Instead of numbers, strings will go. So only one modification, and this will be program will be same for a stack of strings. Very easy. Come on, Anant, Akhila, Vishnu Priya, anyone? Priyanka. कहाँ change होगा पूरे program में? Every concept is same. Only thing we need to be concerned about is that instead of numbers, it will be stack of strings. So what modification will are we going to make or do here so that the program becomes valid for stack of numbers? Entire program. Only one very, very small change. Yeah, very good. We'll remove ये line जो है तुम्हारा line number 7 से. Here we were making sure that only integers, or if you want only float, will go inside. But here, if you remove this constant of int, this will be perfectly valid for stack of strings. ठीक है? देख लो यहाँ. Okay. कुछ pop operations भी कर देते हैं. और few more push operations. ठीक है, then we'll peek once peek operation, ठीक है, stk peek s, and then we'll twice pop operation. Just for the sake of explanation I am doing that. Okay, it's not necessary कि इसी order में push pop होगा, it's up to you. Okay, दो बार pop किए, and now finally let us see the status. Display the stack. Okay. Now let us start execution. Now देखो यहाँ पे बोल रहा है enter the item to be pushed. So this is being called here. Once this got called, तो फिर ये यहाँ पे आया, push call हुआ, with empty stack was passed to it, global reference was made to the top so that we can modify from the local scope. Okay, now item to be here pushed will be input, that is input function always converts to string, so string input होगा, तो item डालना है, तो let's say I'll give hello. Second time again we can see back to back we have performed 3 times push operations, so 3 values मांगेगा, hi, hello, hello, hi, bye. Okay, and then we are displaying the status of the stack. So what do you think will be the bottom and the top? Which one will be which element will be there at the bottom, and which element or which string will be there at the bottom of the stack, and which string will be there at the top of the stack? Top is by. Yes, latest one that comes in will always be at the top. So very good. Top is by, and the bottom one will be the first one to enter, that is hello. Yeah. Good. देखेंगे by is the top of the stack. फिर now उसके बाद हमने देखा है कि दो push operations किए हैं हमने, तो let's say we'll write good, then bad. Okay, and then you will see that उसके बाद हमने peek किया, good bad डालने के बाद तो latest one was bad, तो bad was at the top, just popped. अच्छा, जो pop कर रहे हो तो दिखा भी रहा है, क्योंकि pop में हमने मैसेज भी डाला है, element just popped was bad, element just popped was good. ठीक है, दो बार तुमने यहाँ पे पॉप किया है, तो पॉप में देखा होगा कि हम जब डिलीट करते हैं तो डिलीटेड आइटम को डिस्प्ले भी करते हैं, राइट? वी आर आल्सो डिस्प्लेइंग इट. सो वंस पॉप वाज कॉल्ड, बैड वाज रिमूव्ड, गुड वाज रिमूव्ड. फर्स्ट बैड वाज ऑन द टॉप, सो बैड वाज रिमूव्ड, देन गुड वाज एट द टॉप, देन गुड वाज रिमूव्ड. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट if you display the stack, तो वहीं तक आ जाएगा, बाय तक. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर गुड बैड ऐड हुआ, लेकिन फिर तुमने हटा दिया 2 times, so it will remain till by only. ये बताओ, with the slight modification, with only this change, we were able to implement the stack of strings. ये clear है कि नहीं है? If in the exam you get a stack of numbers and a stack of strings, will you be able to get 100% marks or not? ये आप मुझे बताइए, yes या no. Then we will see the one last topic, which is very, very simple, only slight modification, and this will be same as same for, or this will be suitable for stack of list as well. Okay, good. That's good. Take it. Now, so we have also implemented stack of numbers, we have implemented stack of strings. Now let us see the last variant that can come for the exam. This is the most likely one to appear in your paper. So that is stack of lists. Again, everything will be same in the program. But how I want the stack now? थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं. We want the stack of lists to grow like this. कुछ इस टाइप का होगा. Let's say user says कि I need to have some record. और record कैसा होगा? There will be many records in the stack, and records will be like a list containing book ID, let's say 100, book author name, let's say Alex, okay, और भी कुछ डाल सकते हैं. City of the author, let's say Pune, okay, and anything else, कुछ भी रख लो. Age of the author रख लो, या genre of the book, let's say fiction, okay. तो इस टाइप के. Let's keep little detail. City तक. So I have to push, I have to create a stack such that it will be growing like this. Let's say I'm giving you some random state का example दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Let's say here record 1, here record 2, record 3, and record 4. And each of the records, let's say this is R1. R2 will be another set of records for 101. Okay. Anything. Maya. Delhi. So another record of book name, book ID, book author name, and book author ka city. So instead of now numbers and strings, I have to push one on the top of other record of something which will be itself in the form of list. Okay. So this will grow as like this, one list. On the top of that can come another list. On the top of that can come another list. इस तरह करके it will keep on growing or shrinking. But removal and top, removal will also be from the top, and addition will also be there on the top. So thus बस इसमें करना क्या है कि entire program needs to be following the same concept, but for addition, pushing, you will not push one single element that is item, single item that is either number or a string, but you will push a list itself. So how we will do that? 95% of the program will remain same. Okay. What I'll do is I'll copy the entire program. And I'll mention here stack of records, details, कुछ भी बोल दो, और list. क्या लिख रहा है? Right. Now, अब इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? In the push function, we know that this item that we have to push is not a single value, but it has to be a list consisting of what all things? Book ID. We will ask from the user कि बताओ कि तुम्हें उस जो new entry you are making for the record, what is the book ID? Please enter the book ID. Okay. Then second thing will be author name. Let's say we'll write author is equals to, author name will be string. We'll write please enter the author name. Okay. Now third thing that you're going to do is author city. Okay. And then you will write city will also be string. And we'll write please enter the city name. Okay, and then this has to be put in a list so that that list itself can be inserted in the stack or appended in the stack. So we'll make this item as list and we'll put first element as book ID, second element as author, third element as city. And this item, after becoming this thing being packed into this list known as item, and that item will itself be added to the stack. So every time you are adding the item, that means you are adding a new list, which is nothing but collection of these details, which is known as record. ये बताओ जो मॉडिफिकेशन हमने किया है, स्लाइट मॉडिफिकेशन, एंड देन पॉप के लिए तो कुछ करना नहीं है. वंस यू पॉप तो वन आइटम विल बी डिलीटेड विच इज नथिंग बट द लिस्ट. तो एक एक जब भी पॉप करोगे, वन इंडेक्स इटसेल्फ इज अ लिस्ट, तो लिस्ट विल बी ड्रॉप, दैट मींस रिकॉर्ड विल बी रिमूव्ड. ठीक है. पुश करेंगे तो केवल विल format compile it in the form of a list and will push the list itself. So every time one list will be pushed, that is one record containing the detail of book ID, author and city will be pushed. Popping means one record will be removed at a time because each element is itself a list and the list itself is a record. ये बताओ, ये जो हमने लिखा है क्या ये समझ में आया या नहीं आया? If it is clear, let me know. Then we'll see the implementation. Anand, Kirtana, Akhila and Vishnupriya, bata do. Okay, Priyanka, good. So if you have understood this till this point, you have to only secure another 66 marks. 4 marks is in your pocket. ठीक है, और यही आएगा. मेरा तो गेस है कि 99% चांस है कि यही आएगा. Okay. So in the exam, if they say कि write a function to implement pushing of record and record का, देखो यहाँ पे एक चीज केयरफुल रहना है. यहाँ पे मैंने book ID, author और city दे दिया है. There they can give employee record and each record contains employee number, employee name, employee city, employee designation. तो जितने चीज बोलेंगे उसको you will enter, ask for the user separately and you will pack it in a list and then that list itself has to be added. So these details may change. I am giving you book ID, book author, city name. यहाँ पे वो employee name, employee city, employee designation, employee number, employee role, ठीक है. तो employee age, उस तरह की कुछ चीजें हो सकती हैं. If there are 4 details, then you will accept 4 values and pack all the 4 things in the list and then insert the list itself. बस यही concept होगा, 100% यही आएगा. ठीक है. तो इसमें अब कुछ सोचना नहीं है. And you will only write if push function is asked. You need not show all the things. ये सब करवा के नहीं दिखाना है. If they have asked you to write the push function for that, you can only write this much. And you can explain कि top we are maintaining so that we can also keep track of the top in the global scope. बस इतना ही लिख दोगे ना तो full 4 marks आ जाएंगे. You don't unnecessarily ये pop और ये peak भी नहीं दिखाना है. If they ask for peak, then only write this much. If they ask for display, then you write this much. If they ask for pop, then you write this much. Briefly, as comment or as a note at the bottom after this function or before this function, you can explain what all things you have taken. Okay, but you need not write the entire program. Pop पूछ रहा है तो pop का part लिखो, push पूछ रहा है तो push का part लिखो. ठीक है, that's it. ठीक है, पूरा प्रोग्राम बना के नहीं दिखाना. Even if you show time ज्यादा लगेगा पर marks नहीं कटेंगे, पर हो सकता है गलतियां कर दो तो unnecessarily you will make mistakes. ठीक है, we'll see the implementation and we'll wrap it up here. एक बार implementation देख लो. पूछ रहा है book ID for the first record. So let's say I'll write book ID 100. Author name Alex. Okay, author city let's say Patna. Book another second push के लिए पूछना शुरू किया ये 101. Okay, let's say Amit Pune 119. Third book ID I'll give as city as Delhi. Author name अच्छा, author name Maya, city name Delhi. ठीक है. So 3 हमने नीचे में 3 पुश ऑपरेशंस किया था, तो 3 रिकॉर्ड्स हैव बीन आस्क्ड. Each record is containing 3 parts, 3 elements: 1 record, 2 record, 3 record. Okay, and then display करेगा list का state, and then to push again 2 times it will ask me to push 2 new records. Let us see. अभी तक के हिसाब से top of the stack में, मतलब bottom of the stack में first record to be inserted was this, second record to be inserted was this, third record to be inserted was this. ठीक है, and then 2 more के लिए पूछेगा, डाल देते हैं 150 anything, Javed, Bangalore. Now next one, again one new entry. Okay, let's Zoya city में, ठीक है. और उसके बाद 2 पॉप होगा, तो ये दोनों जो दिखेंगे नहीं, ये दोनों पुश होते ही पॉप हो जाएंगे. यहाँ पे स्टेटस देखना है तो यू कैन पुट 1 डिस्प्ले. तो लेट्स से नहीं, अब तो रन कर गया है, अभी नहीं दिखाएगा. तो बट ये दोनों पुश होने के बाद यू विल सी द पीक. पीक पे कौन आ जाएगा? पीक पे दिस रिकॉर्ड विल बी देयर, लास्ट वन टू बी एंटर्ड. तो ये टॉप पे आ जाएगा, तो उसका तुमको इसका डिटेल दे देगा. एंड देन पॉप होंगे 2 बार, तो ये दोनों जो लास्ट, ये दोनों ऐड किए, ये दोनों डिलीट हो जाएगा. एंड लास्टली डिस्प्ले विल डिस्प्ले द सेम थिंग. तो देख लो. तो सबसे लेटेस्ट ये रिकॉर्ड गया था, तो एलिमेंट एट द टॉप इज दिस. ओके, एंड इट्स इंडेक्स पोजीशन इज 4. फिर फाइनली इसको तुमने पॉप कर दिया, पहले ये निकला जोया वाला, फिर सेकेंड लास्ट आइटम टू बी एडेड वाज रिमूव्ड, एंड देन द रिमेनिंग स्टैक वाज लाइक दिस. ठीक है, ये बताओ एग्जीक्यूशन और ये प्रोग्राम, ये सारा चीज समझ में आया या नहीं आया? With this we rest this concept of stack and your 4 marks are in your pocket. इसके बाद गलत करते हो तो I'm not responsible. Okay, तो ये बताओ क्लियर है? वेरी वेरी सिंपल कंसेप्ट. इतना लाइन लिखने को तुम्हें 4-5 मार्क्स, 3-4 मार्क्स तो मिल ही जाएंगे. If it is clear, we'll wrap it up here. Everyone, Priyanka and others, let me know. Okay, good, excellent. ठीक है, चलो यहाँ पे बंद करते हैं. होपफुली अभी हम लोग को क्या बचा है नेक्स्ट 3 डेज में, नेक्स्ट 3 डेज नहीं, बिफोर योर एग्जाम. आई थिंक योर एग्जाम्स आर स्टार्टिंग ऑन व्हेन? फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है या 28 कब से हो रहा है? सो व्हेन इज द एग्जाम स्टार्टिंग? वो डेट बता दो मुझे, so that we can plan something. 28th आई थिंक इज द डेट, या 26th है, तो उससे पहले तक हम लोग कर लेंगे. we'll plan few things. देखो, what we will do is we will file handling next we will start. Okay, file handling में 3 things we have to see, और इस तीनों को we will make sure कि you will not lose marks. So इस 3 में what we are going to do is we are going to see text file, we are going to see CSV file, and we are going to see binary files. Okay, binary files में pickle module. Okay, तो ये pickle देखेंगे, CSV देखेंगे और ये देखेंगे. So I'll make sure कि before your exams you do not lose any marks in these. ठीक है, so here make sure that you are grabbing 13 to 14 marks whatever it comes, and then 4 marks तुम्हारे stack के होंगे, 3 to 4 marks, and then you will have finally one question from वो network का रहेगा कि network layout उसका positioning क्या होगा, that will be 5 marks. वो lose नहीं करना है. Okay, that networking का जो marks आएगा, that you do not have to lose. So see, this accounts for around 20 to 25 marks. So जो तुम लोग marks lose करते हो majority इस section में, this should be 20 to 25 marks. You should not lose this time, and everybody's marks should go up by 10 to 15 marks at least. ठीक है? So इस पे हम लोग consolidate करेंगे and you will not lose marks on these topics. ठीक है? तो these questions तो out है, यही आएगा एग्जाम में, ये पैटर्न फिक्स जान लो, 20 to 25 मार्क्स यही रहेंगे. 4 क्वेश्चन पढ़ के जाओगे तो 25 मार्क्स आएगा. ठीक है? चलो फिर we'll stop here. You can we'll start from file handling. Maybe after a bit of revision, file handling हम लोग शुरू कर लेंगे कल. Next few classes we'll be dealing with that, all the 3 types. Okay. ठीक है then. Thank you. Then we'll stop. Okay, thank you.